Sister Girl here. We've been working on this dance in our Wednesday class called Tea Time. In class, we refer to it as Tamia II, only because it's the second Tamia song that we do. You know, the first one, Can't Get Enough, is the one that everybody does. And this particular dance here, Tea Time, was choreographed some years back by a gentleman out of New York, Brooklyn Ed, out of Brooklyn. And it's a smooth dance. And I'll put all the details, the name of the song and everything in the description. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and get into the walkthrough. Now, if you first see it, you'll think, oh, it's complicated, I can't get it. Again, beginners. I do some modifications, I break it down, and I'm here to tell you that anyone at any level can get any dance if it's taught the right way and with you in mind. So with that being said, let's get started with it. I'm gonna turn to the side. We start on the right, and it's kind of like a lift. So let me just I did some modifications to make it easier for my class and beginners to get it. If you see it online, it may look a little fancier. The moves are the same, but with every instructor, we make modifications to accommodate the folks who are trying to learn the dances from us. No disrespect to anyone who originally choreographed it. All right, so starting on the right, go right up, like a little lift. Step up and down. See my right foot? Up and down. So it's like, you know, weight up and down. Then my left, up and back. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the left. Left up and down, right up and back. The third time around, I'm going to do right up and down, left up and back, and turn around. I'm going to do that from the back. Okay? Right up and down, left up and back. Left up and down, right up and back. Right up and down, left up and back, turn around. When you get to the back wall, you're going to do the same thing. No break. Right up and down, left up and back. Right, left up and down, right up and back. Right, left up and back, and turn around. Back to your starting wall. Side view, same thing. Starting with the right. Right, left up and back. Left, right up and back. Right, left up and back, and turn around. Right, left up and back. Left, right up and back. Right, left up and back, and turn around. If you need a modification, I think you can probably do march. Let me see. Right, up and back. Left, right up and back. Right, left up and back, and turn around. Right, left up and back. Left, right up and back. Right, left up and back, and turn around. That's a modification for anyone that needs a modification. All right? So, that is the first move in the sequence. Now, after we do that, we're going to rock for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, that rock is going to be a staple throughout the song. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back view. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left. That completes the rock. So the rock move really looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha right and cha-cha left. Back view. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha right and cha-cha left. All right? After you do that, well, I'll start from the top and add on so you can see what happens next. And then we'll walk about it. So I'm going to do side view again. 5, 6, start with the right. Right, up and back. Left, up and back. Right, up and back, and turn around. Right, up and back. Left, up and back. Right, up and back, and turn around. Rock, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha, cha-cha. Then right, left, right, left. Okay? So you're walking up for 4. If I got my back to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha right, cha-cha, left. Now right, left, right, left. Okay? We do what I call a pretty girl turn. So out on the right, out on the left, 1, 2, 3, repeat. Out on the right, out on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that completes part 1. So if I'm giving you the side view of that turn again, out on the right, out on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out on the right, out on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So all of part 1, with my back to you. 5, 6, here we go. Right, up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around. Right, up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around. Rock, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha, cha-cha, step, 2, 3, 4, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's part 1. There was something that I wanted to bring to your attention. Oh, whatever foot we lift up on, the other foot is the one that goes up and back. So when we lift up off the right, the left foot goes up and back. When we lift up off the left, the right foot goes up and back. So it's lift, opposite, up and back. Lift, opposite, up and back. That might help you. All right, now there's a chorus. Okay, so this part 1 is like ultimately everything that we do in the dance throughout the entire dance. There's 4 rotations to this dance. There's a chorus, which I'm about to go over now, and then there's a little tag that we do in rotation 3, but it's nothing fancy, so don't worry about it. Very easy. Okay, so the chorus, which starts with every time. So she's like, every time. Don't judge my singing. Every time. But that's your chorus. And this is what happens. I'm going to have to face you first. Okay, and then I'll turn my back to you. Right back, left back, right back, turn, a quarter turn to the right. Then with the left, with the weight on your right, and with the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that your weight lands on your right. You're going to do the same thing starting with the left. Left back, and it's got a little bounce to it. Right back, left back, turn. Weight is on the left, with the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Right back, left back, right back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back, right back, left back, turn, right, 2, 3, 4. Going to take it to the back. 5, 6, here we go. Right back, right back, turn, right, 2, 3, 4. Left back, right back, turn, right, 2, 3, 4. Right back, right back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back, turn, right, 2, 3, 4. I had to remember because my back was to you. Okay? So that is the chorus. Practice it. It's not as difficult as you think or as you look. If I were to do this in slow motion, it would look like this. Right back, left back. Right back, turn. Left, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the right. Left back, right back, left back, turn. Right moves. Right, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the left. Right back, right back, turn. Left, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the right. Left back, right back, left back, turn. Right, 2, 3, 4. Then we start the dance all over for rotation 2. Same thing from the top, okay? Which is right, up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around, right, up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha back, step, 2, 3, 4. out together, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens now is we repeat the rock, nothing new, rock, 2, 3, 4, cha, cha, back. This whole little sequence we're doing over again, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4, out together, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now we've done that twice. Now the chorus is going to come back. Right back, left back, right back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back, right back, left back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right back, left back, right back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back, right back, left back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start from the beginning again for rotation number 3, right? Up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around, right, up and back, left, up and back, right, up and back, and turn around, and rock, 2, 3, 4. Rotation 3 is where we have the little tag. So you rock, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you roll, what we call fall back to the right, which is walk backwards, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn and fall back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the fall back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. And then the chorus will start. That's rotation 3. Rotation 4 is what we did at the very beginning. Okay, no tag, no fall back, just the normal thing. That's the whole dance. So I'll give you a sample with the music because it's easier to see, but you have all the steps. All right, so practice. Let me just show that fall back one more time. Okay, rotation 3, rock, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. Okay? That's the fallback. I'll be right back with a little sample for you. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll address them for you. Thanks for watching.